So looking at this question, 12/13 plus 1 and 1/26. I want to look at some numbers, the denominator especially, and see if there's anything in common here. I noticed that if I double 3, it's 6, and if I double 1, it's 2. So there's a good likelihood that 13 and 26 are related. That often happens when you're starting to add more complex fractions. They'll give you a break and they will just take some numbers that we don't really look into their times tables, and they'll just use like doubles and triples of them just to get you started. So one of the things I would do as well is take a look at the entire sum. Now it's saying 12/13 plus 1/26, so it won't really affect my whole number. So I don't need to go ahead and convert this whole number into fractions. I can just take it out and pop it on the side and remember to add it later. Now I'm left with 12/13 plus 1, oops, I even forgot that, 1/26. Now again, when we're adding fractions, the denominators must be the same. So I need to find the lowest common denominator between them, and it looks like 13 will go into 26, because 13 plus 13, if I do a standard algorithm here, 3 plus 3 is 6, 1 plus 1 is 2. So if I times 13 by 2, whatever I do to the top, I must do to the bottom. Whatever I do to the bottom, I must do to the top. So 12 times 2 is also another operation that I need to do. So let's have a look. 12 times 2 is 24. 13 times 2 is 26. And now I can add them much more simply. Now remember, now the denominators are the same. It's just for information. So my denominator remains the same here. And I can go ahead and add my numerators. Remember, D for down, and then you have your numerator on top. 24 plus 1 is 25. So that's that finished. But I mustn't forget this number up here, because that's what often happens. We get so carried away, and I've done it myself in exams at school. Got so carried away with this method. I must remember to add the whole number that I put on the side. And now I have my answer. Again, if you have any questions at all, let me know.